We need to solve this using quadratic formula. When you look at this, it kind of looks like an easy diamond, but really quickly, just to show you why that's not going to work, I would need two numbers that multiply to 9 and add to 7. My only choices would be 1 and 9, which would add to 10, or I could do 3 and 3, which adds to 6. So all of my options are bad because they don't add to the right number. So that's how you would know you need to do the quadratic formula. So I'm going to write it out over here. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and then everything over 2a. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down my a, b, and c values. So a is 1, b is 7, and c is 9. So now I need to take these numbers and plug them in where the formula says to. So I would have x equals negative b would be negative 7 plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c, and then that's over 2 times a, which is 1. The next thing that you want to do is you want to take this right here that I'm highlighting in blue, and you want to put that in your calculator without the radical. So you're going to type in exactly what you have written there, and it's going to give you 13. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write down negative 7 plus or minus, and then instead of that whole mess, it just turned into the number 13. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Now, at this point, I'm actually done. And the reason I'm done is because the number under the radical doesn't simplify. I can't not do a factor tree with 13. And so nothing simplifies, nothing reduces, so this one is completely finished.